Melissa from Buckeye Girls Reason Things. Welcome to Let's Be Creative. The hosts are Crafty Cove, Farm Charm Chic, and Six Kids and a Glue Gun. Well, my video got deleted, and I'm using the clips from the video, and a few of them are missing. I hope you could understand my video, and I hope it's okay. I'm very sorry, but sometimes things happen. I thought for sure I uploaded this video to YouTube and it disappeared. Okay, what I'm doing is I'm doing honey dippers for a B tier tray. And I wrapped the handle with painter's tape and painted the honey dipper yellow. And because I wanted the handle to be natural colored. And that's how I'm starting. Okay. First of all, I'm using this glue that looks like honey. And this was a kit. And then I'm going to add a sunflower in it. Ooh, that stinks. Ooh, buddy. Then I'll add the bee. And then I'll let this dry. And this will be our honey dipper. I'm going to do 2 per kit. Ooh, that stinks. Okay, what I did is I taped off with painter's tape the handle of my mini rolling pin. Then I painted the centers yellow. I used apple barrel gloss paint and real yellow to stick with the bee theme. And I like it because I'm in a hurry. I'm doing some it's a 4-piece set of bee themed tier tray items for my craft show. And I don't have time to wait for 2 or 3 layers of paint to dry. So this covered in one coat. So that's why I chose the apple barrel plaid gloss real yellow paint. Okay, all I'm doing is taking a little dab of hot glue and I'm going to just wrap the ribbon around here. And then I'm going to take a bee and put that there. And then I'm going to do the same thing to this end. are bees. Okay, we're starting out with a sunflower. This is stuff for my tier tray, my bee tiered tray. They have little sticky things on the back, which I'm going to pull them off. And of course use it. But I'm also going to add a dot of hot glue.